Hello friends, now this is very crucial stage. We are going to install the theme on the website. Theme is something which changes the look and feel of the website. Now this is the basic design. We have this section and a post here and a bottom section. So in this video we are going to install the theme and also understand various sections of the website. So this is just the basic installation. So even if I explain you now, you won't understand it. So we will first install the theme and then we will understand the sections one by one. So we'll go to dashboard, to appearance, themes, add new. So now there are number of themes which you can go through and select according to your taste. But I personally always suggest and use Ocean WP theme, which is like a perfect theme for a website. I mean, you can customize almost anything in this. This is just a basic theme and you can convert it into anything you like. And it's one of the most used themes. It has regular updates and security wise, it is very good. So I always use this theme and also recommend everyone to use this. So now we are just installing this theme. It's very easy. So once the theme is installed, you can see the look and feel of the website. Done. Now it's installed and let's activate it. Now this theme needs another plugin called as Ocean Extra. This one has some extra features we will discuss in detail later on in another video, not here. Here we will just discuss about theme, uh, how to create pages, post and other sections of the website. So we are installing this as it will be required. Install. So the plugin is installed and activated successfully. Return to the dashboard now. So you'll get a message, welcome to Ocean WP. Are you ready to create an amazing website? So we are going to skip this because we are not going to import anything. We are going to create everything. Fine. So now this is the old dashboard. Now let's see the new look of the website. Previously it was just a black section with a post. Now let's see the new look. See, this has totally changed, right? Everything is changed here. So this is the feature of the theme. You can install any theme you like and you can start editing. Right. So now that this is the by default WordPress is a blogging website. So you can see by default the home page is having the posts, right? But while we are creating a business website, we are not going to show posts on the home page. We are going to show the business related information. So we will now go in detail and understand the sections, right? So what we are going to do is now customize this theme. How? Go to appearance. There is an option customize. So now we will understand each and every section of the website. First, let's see what is site identity. Site identity is nothing but the site title and the tagline which we have written while installing in the installtron. Now we have the site icon. This is very important because see, you can see here on the top we have the WordPress icon. So we need to customize it and have our own icon. So we will be uploading um, our own Favicon here. So this is called as the Favicon. It basically resembles, it helps us identify. See, you can see here the YouTube Favicon is there. So just by seeing that, you understand that this is related to YouTube. So we are giving a unique identity to our website. Select, skip cropping because it is square image, and now I'm publishing. You can see on the top the icon is already changed. Now here you can see, here we have the WordPress logo. I refresh, see our website Favicon logo symbol has come. So now we are done with the site identity. Go back. Next we have the menus. Menus are nothing but these are the links to the pages which we are going to create. So as of now we didn't create any page, so we will just go here, create main, sorry, main menu, and here it's asking where you want to show this menu. We'll select in the main. Now as I said, we are going to understand the sections. Here are the sections. Top bar. Top bar is nothing but this section. Place your content here. This section is called as the top bar, and the main section is this one. Learn website skills. This is the main section, and footer is the bottom section. This one you can see copyright. This is the footer section. So we have just selected the main section and click next. Now it's asking to add items, the items which we are going to show on the website. So as of now we didn't create any page, but just to understand, we have the home page, right? So we'll click on the home page and you can see home page is added. So we will publish. So you can see now in the menu you can see the home page. Later on we can edit this, but this is what menu is about. So we'll go back. Now there are widgets. What are widgets? Widgets are nothing but the sections. See, we have the default sidebar. Now what is the sidebar? So when we create a post, on the right side you can see some area here, right? This is called as the sidebar of the website. So if you want to add any section like search is there, this is one widget. Recent post is there, this is one widget. We'll see here how. See. Okay, this is block editor. We will go in detail later on, but these are the widgets which we can add, like even in footer, for example, footer is there. We can just go and add. We will see later on in detail about the widgets. Okay. Now, homepage settings. Now this is very crucial. Now we are going to make a business website. We are not going to make a blog. So we'll just go to the home page. See, right now it is showing posts on the home page. So what we will do, we will create a page, a static page. Here we will click home. So we are adding a page, home. So you can see the blog section is gone from here, but we want to keep blog somewhere. So we are creating another page as blog. Add. Fine. Now two pages are created. One is home page and another is the blog page. So I'm going to publish. So you can see the result here. We have created a static page. It means we are just going to put the content. Whereas on the blog page, it will show the recent articles. Just like here we have Hello World. That is one article. If we post another article, it will show up that also. So I'm just refreshing. See, there is nothing here. On the main, you can see home. Now let's again go back to the menus. Main menu is already created. Home is there. Now we have created another page, blog. So we will just add this page here, right? And here home, it is showing custom link, whereas we have created one page, right? So we'll add this one here. We'll put it home on top and blog here, right? So we can adjust which one is should come front and next. Publish. So now here we are going to see, once we refresh, here we have got a home page and blog page. Now home page is, there is nothing is there, we can edit that. Now when I click on the blog page, you can see the sample article is there. So when I create another article, it will show up here. So uh, all the recent articles which we have posted, they will show up on the blog page. Fine. So now we will go back. Homepage settings is there. Typography is all about heading, their settings and everything. We don't need to worry about that right now. We can do that later. Now the second section is general options. So now here we will see the styling of our website. So we have the general styling. Okay. So we'll see here. So these are the basically color of the links, right? So now I want to add a border here to the menu. What I'll do is I'll just select a red color here. So you can see the border is created. So accordingly you can choose that. We don't need to change the background color and other sections. In fact, we don't need this border color also, so we'll just put it default and we'll come back. I've just shown that, for if you want you can do that. Then we have the general settings. Now this is very crucial. Pages, usually we don't keep sidebar on pages. So what we will do is we will just select full width pages, right? Because on pages we usually don't keep sidebar. If at all we need a sidebar, we can manually, for that particular page we can add that. Okay. Now content padding, this is something between above the title. If you think the space is too much, you can reduce it. By default it is 30 pixels, we can keep it as 10 and keep 15. In bottom we have more space, so we can just put it as 5 or even 0. So this is the padding. So basically about the content. On the top you can also put 20 if you want, it depends on you. Now search result page, usually search result page we will have widgets. So what we will do is we will make sure to have the left sidebar. Usually on the websites we use left sidebar. It helps easy to search. So all these things we can go later on in detail, but right now we are just trying to make our website live as soon as possible. So here it is. Now see, when we have kept the page as full width, so the sidebar is gone. Now we will adjust the title. See, page title. What is page title? This one, home. There is a lot of spacing on the top, so we will just reduce that, right, to 5 top, 5 bottom. You can also change the background color, text color, so you can go through all these things in detail. So we have the title perfectly. We can also hide that, but for understanding purpose we will keep it. Scroll to top. This is the, there is a button in the bottom, we don't need it usually, so we'll just unpublish it. Then pagination forms and everything you can go in detail. As of now we don't need them. So we have done the page settings. Now this is the blog settings. So here we have the blog entries. Now you can see the right sidebar is on the right. I'll select left as a standard. You can see that the sidebar has come on the left. I always prefer using sidebar on the left. You can see other settings like blog style, for example. Here it is like large image. Later on we will see in detail. We can keep it as a grid. So you will have just sections here, small sections. Later on we will see in detail about all these things. Fine. Single post. Single post is when we click on hello world, that particular post. I'll show you here. this particular page is called as single post. So here also you can see single post, the sidebar is on the right side, so we want to keep it left sidebar, and I'll publish. Then you have many more settings you can check out later. See, I do the refresh, so sidebar is on the left. So we have put standard sidebar on the left side. The blog is done. Now header, this is one important section. So you can see the look and feel of the website in detail. We'll see later on. You can change the background color if you want. Usually I keep bottom red color so that it differentiates with the menu. And if you think the menu height is too much, you can reduce it here like this. Just reduce the space. See, publish. So that is how we do. All these things we will see in detail later on. Now logo. Logo is very important. So what we will do is we'll get one logo from here. Select. Always have a rectangle logo for the websites. See. So the logo size is a bit higher, so we can adjust the height and look everything here. Done. Now we have got the website logo. So then again we have the menu here. We'll see all these things later on. Social menu, mobile menu, everything we'll see later on. Top bar is this one. Place your content here. You can write anything here, like welcome. So whatever you write, it will show. As of now, I'm just disabling it because I don't need the top bar. Publish. It's gone. Next, we have the footer widgets. Footer is nothing but the bottom section. So this gray space, whatever the widgets we add, it will come here. We'll see that later on. Footer bottom is this total bottom section. Here we will change it like 2022 learn website skills. It means that all the content is copyrighted to us. So this is one standard section. You can change the text color here. You can make it more white so that it's clearly visible. And there are other settings. You can later on go through all these things. This is one important. Publish. So sidebar and CSS. Sidebar is nothing but these widgets. We can see all these things later on. So if you want to add any CSS, you can just add it here. We will later on learn about the CSS. Now our website is totally ready with pages and posts. So we have totally customized this particular theme. Okay. Now, whatever the content we want to add, for example, we are on the home page. I want to add some content. I'll click on the edit page on the top. Welcome to learn website skills. This is the default look of the website. So, view page. See, welcome to learn website skills. This is the default look, but we are going to install Elementor plugin and then design the website in Elementor. So here we have the total look and feel of the website. So I'm concluding this video. We have understood the sections here. This is the header section. This is the content section. This is the footer section. And here on the right, this is the sidebar section, right? And then these are the menus. So here we have understood the total website structure. Later on in the next video, we will install Elementor and we will start editing this